I'm prepping breakfast here. I have my pasta bowl that I use as a salad bowl, breakfast bowl. I've got an English cucumber. I'm going to just use part of that. And then just a little bit left of the butter lettuce and avocado. I'll use just half of that. And this broccoli, I need to cut it up and steam it. Then I have some leftover rice and just a few little squares of tofu. And I may trim up some nori and put some seaweed on it too. So here's the beginning, and then we'll look at it after it's all put together. And now the sushi bowl is plated up and ready to eat. Doesn't it look delicious? And it's just bursting with nutrition. I'm enjoying it for breakfast, but it would be just as good for lunch or dinner. It takes just a little bit of prep, some chopping, and throwing it in a bowl. Let me know if you give it a try. I think you'll really enjoy it. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.